Welcome to Scrum. Alex and his team have embraced the pillars and values of Scrum. But Alex isn't on this journey alone. At the heart of every successful Scrum team are people with clear roles, shared goals, and strong collaboration. The Scrum team is made up of three key roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the developers. Together, they bring clarity, purpose, and action to each sprint. Maya is the product owner at Alex's startup. Her job, to understand the customer, prioritize the work, and make sure the team builds the right thing at the right time. As product owner, Maya reviews feedback from users and stakeholders every week. She updates the product backlog and refines the priorities so the team stays focused on what matters most. Alex, the Scrum Master, acts as a coach, removing blockers and helping the team stick to Scrum practices. But most importantly, Alex protects the team's focus and flow. During the sprint, Alex helps resolve conflicts, reminds the team of the sprint goal, and encourages continuous improvement without managing or directing the team. Then there's the developers, the makers. This includes UI designers, back-end engineers, QA testers, and anyone building the product. In Alex's team, they're cross-functional and self-organizing. Instead of waiting on handoffs or instructions, the developers collaborate daily. They pull tasks from the backlog, solve problems together, and own the delivery as a team. In Scrum, there's no hierarchy, no blame game, just one team working toward a shared sprint goal. Each role is different, but everyone is accountable for delivering value. By defining clear roles and trusting each other, Alex's team has turned confusion into clarity and stress into synergy. It's not just about who's doing what, it's about building together.